Hey Pleasant Hill, Austin Bittner with the Austin Bittner Real Estate Team, here to do your monthly real estate market update. If you follow along with this group, you know that I like to do this on a monthly basis, obviously, and just go over kind of market conditions here in our town and pricing of houses and things like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into those numbers. This month has been kind of flat over last month, pretty much across the board. If you know anything about how the real estate market's been going, that doesn't really surprise me a lot. Obviously, there's a little bit of slowdown. We're not in that kind of crazy COVID rush that we had been for the last 2 years. So it's not surprising to see the market kind of stabilizing a bit. For homes currently active for sale, we're sitting at 55 houses. That's down a little bit, actually. So last month when I did this, we had about 62 houses, I believe, on the market at that time. So down a little bit, the kind of seasonal thing. Once we start getting into the colder weather, it's not uncommon for the amount of inventory on the market to decrease a little bit. So to be expected. The average list price is sitting at $342,000. That is exactly the same as what it was last month, so flat there as well. Average sales price year to date is sitting at $321,000, which is also flat and exactly the same as where it was last month, so no increase or decrease there. And the average days on market for a listing is sitting at 20 days, which is also the exact same as last month and 100% flat. So overall, there's not been a huge change in the residential real estate market here in Pleasant Hill. Some few positive things that we've seen is interest rates have gone down a bit. So they're sitting at roughly 6% prime rate right now as of this week, which is down probably close to about 0.75% from where we were just not that long ago. So that's positive. And more back in line with what a normal historic average rate is for interest pre-COVID. So it's good to see those stabilizing a little bit and decreasing from some of their highs. That'll allow some more opportunities for people to get into homes at a interest rate that's somewhat decent. And it also helps that housing prices haven't been radically increasing like they have over the last 2 years and have started to kind of stabilize as well. That'll help home buyers a lot as well. If you have any questions about any of this or about the real estate market in general or your own personal house, I would love to answer those. You can either put some of that commentary down below for those questions or feel free to shoot me a private message if you'd like to talk off of the public forum. All of my contact information will be listed in the content area up here, and I would love to talk to you. Thanks so much, Pleasant Hill.